Let's gonna get started with Vloom. Learn new vocabulary but better. And of course, we have to start with Anna. Anna is 29 years old. She's living in Manchester at the moment. She's from Valencia, graduated in tourism and business, and now is a manager at the Crown Plaza reception. And she's always trying to improve her English and her new vocabulary also in another languages to be more professional in her team and also with new guests. Also to manage her team, it's really important, and also to be confident with herself outside of her job. Anna is doing all the time many different tasks with her colleagues, in reception sometimes, giving conference online, and also present results to another teams, to another departments, and also going out with colleagues, going out with friends. And as she's living in Manchester, she really wants to be able to speak in different kind of situations and also to improve her common phrases, her professional business English, etc. She tried many different ways. Study, to wake up super early, meeting new people, exchanges at the bar, like tandems, going to like private classes, everything. But now, how can we help Anna after this trial and error that didn't work for her? We had to start somewhere. Somewhere it's called Vloom. Vloom is an app to learn vocabulary. And this is the sketch time. This is where we are beginning. The onboarding, the splash screen, also a super short but straight to the point onboarding, the SingUp login, and also the start screen. What really important, what are you speaking? What do you want? Which language do you want to learn, right? Also, which are the categories relevant for Anna? Which ones? What does she want to improve? And those sketches, as we saw, became reality. How it works. So from the paper to the app, as you can see here, we see again the splash screen, the onboarding, SingUp, choose the language, etc. Also, as we said before, what is more relevant and what are the categories to more relevant to Anna. And after creating the first prototype, as you saw, we have to check it's like we thought. Usability test. Usability test, we create some different tasks, select language, add new words to the personal library, categories if you want to improve today, and also checking the progress, right? What can we improve? After the test usability with different users, we realized about main problems or main challenges that people confront. For example, the load on icon, it was giving a feeling of slow loading up. Also, the logout button was not really easy to find, and they tried to search in another different places, or the library icon that was a bulb. How can we fix that afterwards? So we thought, okay, let's change that. Let's create less confusion and be more accurate. We, of course, changed the loading icon, the bulb for the library icon. We use a book with a bookmark, and the logout button. It was only present on the menu bar, but now we added another one also in the administration and profile area. Moreover, thanks to the feedback, to the comments, and what was challenging for them after the usability test, we could improve the user experience, creating more screens to be a bit more interactive. For example, well done when you really, when you checked that this word you knew it, or let's try again when you are on screen, on the page and on screen that you have to review. let's try again. And another word added to the library when you add a new word to your personal library. And also all the information gathered out on the profile screen. How many tasks you complete, current level, preferences, even payments, and add the second logout button. To sum up, what we learn is that don't assume what you think is what everybody thinks, in this case, for example, with the icon from a bulb or from the library to be a book with a bookmark. Also, it's really important, apart from the library, that you can add new words to have also the star to save your favorite words in somewhere on the app. Also, slang and common phrases are as important as business English, and she really likes more visual elements than words. For example, the back bottom star icon to save instead of save the word itself. And what I personally learned is that there's always pros and cons when you are starting and when you are working in a project. And for example, I really loved the part of designing and using new tools. I also liked a lot conducting all the interviews. I learned a lot thanks to the feedback. And my favorite part of any project, also in this one, is always the first step, the research. And the cons for me is that its prototyping is taking way too long, and also conducting interviews and tests, usability tests, for example, is really time consuming. And learning, as it is, learning new tools from zero. And what I will tell myself in the next projects, put more attention into the interview results and also focus more on what the persona needs than prototyping, create new bottoms, new colors, and so on. Also the power of user flows, because I underestimate this step, and make a usability test as soon as possible to know what you have to change. Thank you.